Okay, this will be a short introduction to the mail application. The mail application is called Mail. Looks like a little postage stamp. Double click on it and it opens up. Mail is really a nice application. You have sometimes just your mail. When you don't see any little boxes to the left, that means it was hidden. You open it up and you see the different accounts. You can have more than one account in Mail. To take you want to create a new letter to someone, you click the new message, which is a little piece of paper with a pencil, address it, hooks up with your address book, create a subject, in fact, you want to send more than one person. I'm going to send one to myself. And you want to choose which account if you have more than one account. You want to send it out, you create your own signatures, and actually I don't want to confuse the person I'm doing these videos for. Let me get rid of that for a moment. There we go. That will go out. You want to attach a document. I'm going to minimize not the email message I'm working on, but the mail program. And I want to attach a photo and a document. I do it, I'm going to show you the two ways you could do it. One, you could hit the little paper clip, take the PDF, attach it. Next, I want to do an image. This time I go to the Finder, I go to Pictures. Now in my picture folder I happen to have photographs and PDFs. I'm going to grab that image and just drag it. Now you can see I have an image, a PDF file. One I use the paperclip, the other I dragged it right into the email, and now I could send this email off. Go back into Mail by clicking the Mail application. I have a trash can. You don't want to keep a lot of old messages. It just clogs your computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the first one, scroll to the last one, hit the Shift key, and they're all highlighted. And then I'm going to hit Delete. Now all those messages are gone. I had some more. I could also, if I have an Apple keyboard, go Command A to select all and delete. Those are all the messages I threw in my trash, and now my trash is empty. I have a new email message, the one I just sent myself. There it is. I'm going to throw that away because I don't need it. I also want to show you that you could set up VIPs. If these two people send me something, it goes right into my VIP section of my mailboxes, so I can look at it right away. This helps organize you. Also, anything that goes to junk, this is the spam folder, it's called junk. Anything I sent out shows in the sent folder. Now, I do have multiple accounts, as I said. I also have my iCloud syncing all of my mail between all my devices. And this is very useful and helpful. So I have created some subfolders so that it helps me organize my mail, so I do not have a lot of junk when I open up my email right here. That's why you see very little, because I have sent these to different parts of my mail program. Like I want to move that over, that's garbage. And these few I'm just leaving in my inbox. But if I look under jobs, I have some emails stored here. These are nice ways to organize. And to create one of these folders, you just hit the plus to create a folder. Also, you could rename a mailbox, delete a mailbox. And that's a little more advanced. I don't want to go into that at the moment. I just want you to be able to know you could get mail, you could delete mail, we go create mail, and also if you want to print mail, click this one. If you want to flag it, say I find that's important, I'll put a little flag there and it calls my attention to it. I could pick up my address book here. Those message every time I type somebody's email, it saves in this mail program, but it also retrieves from my contacts. So that's some simple things about mail. I will say that you go edit to check spelling when you're in a message. You could also check your grammar. You could find information and just explore the different menu choices. Like I said, if you don't see those inboxes and those folders, that just means you have to click show and they show up. Okay? So I'm going to quit. And that is the end of a little short, brief mail introduction.